A lot of people in Zambia do ask ways on how to make money with Yellowcard in Zambia. In Zambia, there is a common misconception among individuals seeking ways to make money through Yellowcard. It's essential to clarify that Yellowcard is primarily a cryptocurrency wallet and exchange platform that facilitates the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. Contrary to some beliefs, Yellowcard itself doesn't provide direct avenues for making money. Instead, it serves as a tool for crypto transactions. The potential for profit in the cryptocurrency space lies in the market's volatility and the fluctuation of crypto asset values. One way individuals in Zambia can potentially make money is by engaging in cryptocurrency trading. This involves buying cryptocurrencies at a lower price and selling them at a higher price to capitalize on market price movements. However, it's crucial to note that trading carries inherent risks, and success often requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and trends. For those in Zambia seeking alternative platforms, KeithFX.com provides another option for buying and selling cryptocurrencies using mobile money. While engaging in crypto transactions, users should exercise caution, stay informed about market trends, and be aware of the risks associated with the volatile nature of cryptocurrency investments. Importantly, investing in cryptocurrencies should align with one's risk tolerance and financial goals, and individuals should conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.